Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Another day, another chance to right the wrongs of yesterday. Alhamdulillah. If you do good in secret, Allah will shower His good on you in public. Expect good, and good will happen. Imam Ali alayhi salam. I am grateful for every trial that pushed me closer to Allah. Indeed, Allah does not wrong the people at all, but it is the people who are wronging themselves. Accept and be happy for what Allah has blessed you with. It may be a small thing, but to others, that small thing would be their biggest dream. Ya Allah, I beg you not to attach my weak heart to someone who is not written for me. Don't forget your own self while preaching to others. Soon you will realize why you got what you needed and not what you prayed for. Forgive people so that perhaps Allah may forgive you. Don't think of the few things we didn't get after praying. Thank Allah of the countless beautiful things He gave without asking. Your Lord is most knowing of what is within yourself. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel.